Hi, in this video we will explore how to create a discussion in your Schoology course. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your course. And discussions in Schoology courses are housed inside of the materials. So once you navigate to your course, you're in your materials section. To add a discussion, you click where it says Add Materials, and then the speech bubbles, click there for Add a Discussion. The pop-up box will give you some options for your discussion. You can give your discussion a title. You can add in a description here. Maybe this is where you put in your question. You have your formatting options listed above this box. You have the option to insert a link, and you can insert a variety of content, which makes your discussion a little bit more dynamic. You can add media and images, links, symbols, equations, the LaTeX editor. You can also include a YouTube video, a video from Khan Academy, or you can access a document or a file from your Google Drive, and you can just insert it right into the discussion. Underneath the editing box, you'll notice that you have the options again for file, link, to add something from your resources. You can create an audio or video recording, and you have the external tool, which will allow you to embed content from external sites. Depending on what you are doing with the discussion, you have the ability to add a due date for this discussion, as well as a time. You can enable grading, depending again on what you're using this for. If you choose to enable grading, you can select how many points you want this worth, and you can give it a grading category. You can put it into a category for your gradebook. For this demo class, I don't have any grading set up, so there are no categories. You can give it a scale, a rubric, you can create a new scale there. And then your advanced features are individually assigned. So if you wanted to assign this just to select students, you would click here, and then you could type in who you are going to assign this to. You can align it to learning objectives. You can lock it. So maybe you want to post all of your discussions for a unit, but you don't want students to see them until a certain point in the unit. Then you can just lock and unlock them. Another option is make it visible to students so they can see it. This is a tool that allows members to see other responses before participating. So by not clicking this, and if you don't want members to see other responses before participating, you could use this discussion as a formative assessment tool. And then students would only be able to see each other's comments after they have submitted their response. And then finally, you can copy this to other courses. So if you have multiple courses of the same subject, then you could copy it to each of those. And once you're done going through all of your editing tools, you can click Create. And then your discussion will be loaded right here in the Materials section, and students can simply click on the discussion, and they can add in their comment and respond and participate. And that's how you create a discussion in a Schoology course.